So today we're gonna fix the Hyperflash. So I don't have a light on me at the moment, but if you come underneath your like kick panel area, underneath the steering wheel, in the footwell, I've seen a lot of guys take the dead pedal out, but I'm trying to avoid that. But you'll have this cover here that reveals your fuse panel on this side, and then the two 10 millimeters, which one is kind of up here. You have to kind of feel for it a little bit. And then there's one in the bottom corner, I think around this area. But yeah, once you get those two out, you can literally just pull this, and then this is the relay that you want to replace. I'm not gonna lie, if you don't have a small little pick of any sort, it's kind of gonna be a bitch if you're doing what I'm doing and not removing the dead pedal. But what I did was, on the side that you can see, trying my best not to break it, I would lift this side up and kind of wedge this in here, and then I would just kind of just pull it back and forth until it came out. And as you can see, I got super lucky and didn't break the tab on this. Sometimes these things are so old and brittle, it's gonna happen. So I got this Diode Dynamics Smart Tap, and that's what we're gonna be putting in there. And just like that, it's in there. It did take a little bit of finessing, but that's also because I made it harder on myself and didn't take out the dead pedal. But that's in there, so now we can test and see if it actually works. Let's turn signal on. Sounds like it's working. Perfect. Right side, just for the hell of it. Nice. And let's see. So when I just went to go hit the hazards, this is how they are gonna appear for like the factory setting when you first install that relay. That's pretty dope. And just wanted to make note, it's also gonna do that for the fronts as well, obviously. So this is another super cool feature it does too. It can let you do the left to right, or the kind of like strobe effect, how I was just showing, or it can actually go slower. Let me try and do that one again. So it's basically the same thing, it just does it at a much slower rate instead of just constantly going pretty much. So that's pretty cool. And it does have a couple features too, like you can do, if you do like a quick tap left, you can preset it to save it for like 1 blink or 2 blinks, 3 blinks, 4 blinks. I think the max is either 4 or 6, I can't remember. But I honestly had no idea that it was gonna do this cool strobing hazard thing. And honestly, I'm pretty much in love with that. That's pretty cool. All right, but that's pretty much it for this video. And I hope it helped any of you guys who have an IS300 with your Hyperflash, if you have LEDs. Or honestly, if you guys don't have an IS and you just had a Hyperflash issue, switching out relays should do it, and this brand is highly recommended. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.